Okay. Can you say the colors of your clay doh?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
White.
Red.
Red. Blue. Yay! Where's the color blue? Yay! Can you find the color white? Yay! Okay. Oh, Ameerah, I have surprise for you. Oh, close your eyes. Okay? You count 1, 2. Close your eyes, huh? Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Oh, what's that? Open? Let's open. Okay, let's open. Oh, what color do you see?
Open.
Oh, let's open. Red? Oh, very good. Oh, what color is this?
Red.
Red. How about this one?
The yellow.
This one?
Blue.
This one?
White.
White. Oh, very good. Red, yellow, blue, and white. Yay! Okay, let's open. Up, yeah. Oh, you open, you open. Uh-oh. Open, open, open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, what color is this?
Red.
Red. Okay, red. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this color. Whoop.
What is that?
Oh, see? What is that?
Red. Open.
How about this one? What color is this?
Open.
Okay. Let's open this red. Oh, can you count how many clay doh do you have? Oh, you count first, you count. Okay. Wow, clay doh, very good. Oh, okay, let's see what's inside. What do you think? Okay, let's see what's inside, baby. Oh, it's a color white. Very good. Okay, red, white. Open. Okay. Let's open. Uh-oh. Oh, white Play-Doh.
Daddy.
Oh, next. What color do you want to open?
Daddy.
Oh, what color is this?
Daddy.
Oh. Ameerah, what color is this? Oh. Yes, what color is this? Ameerah, what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay,
Okay,
let's
okay.
open the yellow one.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. Yellow. Oh, what color is that? Oh, what color is this?
Open.
Oh, what color is this? Let's
Open.
open this yellow. Oh, yellow.
Yellow.
How about this one?
Open. Open.
What color is this?
Open, Daddy.
Oh, what color is this?
Open. Open.
What color?
Open.
What color?
Open. Open, Daddy.
Okay, open, okay. Let's open the color blue. Yay!
What's inside?
Yes. Let's see what's inside. Uh-oh.
What's inside?
What's inside? Oh, what's this?
It's a whistle. It's a baby.
It's a color blue.
Okay.
Oh, what's this?
Open, open.
This is a Play-Doh.
Whistle.
Yes, what color?
Blue.
Blue. Very good.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
White.
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Blue. Yay! Very good. Okay. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. Can you say the colors of your clay doh?
Yellow.
Yellow,
Red.
white,
Red.
red, blue. Yay! Can you count how many clay doh do you have? Oh, you count
1, 2, 3.
three only?
1,
One. Oh,
2,
2, 3, 3,
4.
three only. 4! Yay! Very good. Can you do a pizza dough? Yes. Wait.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
Yellow pizza dough.
Okay. Oh. I will
Yellow.
get.
Yellow. Yellow. Boo. 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 Red. 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 Red.
Yay! Okay, let's play. Let's play. Let's play. See? Oh, what color is this? Blue. This is blue. This is red. Oh, let's put it. This is white. And this is yellow. Okay? Let's put like this one. You put the other one. Okay? Oh, can you find where is the color yellow? Yay! Oh, put again. Oh, where's the color white? Yay! Okay. Where's the color blue? Yay! And what color is this? Oh, this is the color red. Okay, again. Oh, again. Oh, like that. You put here. Okay. Oh, see white, blue, red, yellow. Okay, oh, you put here. Can you find the color yellow? Yay! Okay. Can you find the color blue? Oh! Color blue. Yay! Can you find the color yellow? Yay! Okay. Can you find the color red? Yay! Okay. Can you find the color white? Yay! Okay, again. Let's put the yellow here. Yellow, white, blue, and red. Okay? Okay, Ameerah, red, blue, white, yellow. Okay? Oh, can you find the color red? Red. Yay! Can you find the color blue? Oh no. Yay! Again. Can you find the color red?
Red.
Red.